So here's the Torvo TD3 Dash Cam, and this is the complete tutorial to get your Torvo TD3 up and running with your car. Here on the top, we can see 4 physical buttons. Then here we see a power button on this side, and a Type-C power port, a rear camera in port, and a TF card slot on the opposite side. Now for installation, first apply the electrostatic sticker where you want to mount your dash cam on. Then peel off this part and attach the dash cam on your windshield. The rear camera module can be attached both here in the back windshield or above the license plate according to your necessity. Route the cable nicely to the front module and plug it in right here. Now you can either power it from the cigarette port, or if you want 24/7 parking monitoring, you can get the external hardwiring kit and power it right from your fuse box. To connect the rear unit to the front, start at the front camera. Plug the cable into the 3.5mm AV in port. Then route the cable through the overhead console. Tuck the cable neatly behind the headliner as you go. When you reach the A-pillar, remove the trim panel and run the cable through it. From here, we'll start routing the cable along the exterior trim. Continue routing the cable and reattach each trim panel once that section is complete. When you reach the rear hatch, things will vary depending on your vehicle, so hide the cables accordingly. Remove the liftgate trim panel and feed the wire through. Then mount the rear camera in your preferred location. Tuck any extra wire into the trim panel and close everything up. That completes the rear camera installation. Next, to hardwire the dash cam, run the power cable towards your vehicle's fuse box. As with the rear cable, when you get to the A-pillar, remove the trim panel, route the cable behind it, and tuck away any excess length. Continue routing the rest of the cable down to the fuse box. The red wire should go into a 15-amp fuse slot, the yellow wire goes into a fuse slot that provides switched power, and the black wire should be grounded using a metal bolt or grounding point nearby. And now you should be good to go. Now once you turn on your car, it automatically turns on the camera. You get the option to choose between 2K or 4K recording mode. You're given the option to keep your G sensor off, low, medium, or high sensitivity setting. Up next, here's the built-in GPS settings. Connecting this dash cam with your smartphone is simple. Just turn on this Wi-Fi app option and scan the QR code. Upon connecting, you can see the camera feedback, GPS data, speed, and camera switch here on your smartphone pretty easily. Here, you can browse and review your video footage. You can change the video resolution, set loop recording, turn the timestamp on or off, switch rear camera mirroring, adjust collision sensing, choose the speed unit, set the speaker volume, and more. If you'd like to learn more, just visit our website at mytorvo.com. Drive purposefully and never worry.